got a big Shamboli's order. It's a rainy day today. You can see the weather. It's just really raining earlier, hard. Big rainy day. So we figured no grilling out. We are going to do a big Shamboli's order, and we tried some new things today. We'll see see how it goes. Got some sangria here that I picked up.
It's good. I tried.
You try it? It's pretty good.
Good.
And we got a little chiksa, little shawarma. We got some chicken wings. And we got some pizza.
I can probably open it.
Let's break it all out and see what we got. Okay,
Well,
so that's a little
baby one.
Yeah, it's just something to try. A little shawarma. Got some Mother's hot sauce with it.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. Let's see
Hi.
about that. Hi. Hello. Hi there. Oh.
Hello.
Let's see what else we got. What else is in here? I have an idea that that's probably the chiksa. The chiksa here. Could be wrong. Might be a shawarma. You need a knife, don't you?
Oh, hold on. Got it.
That's some good looking wings right there. That's good looking wings.
Okay, and then we have.
Oh, that's the chiksa, actually.
Chiksa.
That's a chiksa. I guess it's chicken with meat and cheese melted over it. We'll try that out. That looks pretty good.
It looks great.
And of course, then we have our Hawaiian pizza.
Always, because it's delicious. Ah.
Oh yeah, the Hawaiian. Open it up all the way. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. So, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Check in on you in a minute after we get our bellies full of this. Oh yeah. What do you think?
Good.
Chiksa. Then we got this shawarma here. And it's kind of messy, it's falling apart, but it's good. Pretty good. And that chiksa is just a piece of chicken fried with meat and cheese all over it and sauce, right?
Onions. Pretty good flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, this here's like a little pocket. It fell apart. It was pretty good. A little shawarma. That was a shawarma. Never had a shawarma. But I tell you what, where's those chicken wings right here? Too hot. Too hot for Mercy, but she was calling for mercy. Mercy was, these wings are saucy and they are hot. But not killer hot. Just like I like it.
Too hot for me.
Too hot for her. And here comes the rain. Check it out. It's coming. It's coming again in round 3. We had some good rain this morning, but it's going to come down here in a minute. Guarantee it. Oh yeah, the old myth, I guess. Maybe not myth, but the old saying that when you fish in the rain, you can catch more fish. Might be true. Because there's a lot of people out in their boats in this rain. It's coming down. There's a guy right here. He was pretty close a minute ago. He's got his big old rain jacket on and all. He's casting a line. Throwing the line out. I don't know if you'd say casting. I think he's free lining. Here comes another guy across the way in a boat. There's just quite a few people out here today. Quite a few. Oh yeah. It is rainy. Clouds are all down low in the mountains. I'm getting wet under the tree here, so I'm getting back in. Whew. Nice, huh?
I love it.
It's a nice little change, though. A little refreshing rain, cool things off. And where we were before, we would just be trapped inside. Look out the window, maybe. We went out on our little entryway porch area, we would have got wet. So it's a nice little change. Be able to sit outside and enjoy the rain.
I love it. I need my hammock here.
Yeah. Sorry for all the rain noise. You probably can't hear us too much. I'll try to fix that when I edit this. So, all right, everybody, enjoy the rain. I'm enjoying the rain here. So.
Wow. Look at that. You can't hardly see anything inside.
Yeah. Pretty gloomy out today. Yeah, that was a quick shower there. And we did some damage. Ate about half that pizza.
The rest is gone.
Yeah.
Everything is gone.
Yeah, everything but these wings. I'm gonna save those for later. I'm gonna warm them up on the grill.
No,
We got
Wait till then.
we got way too much food because tomorrow is Sunday and it's gonna be leftover day. And we wanted to make sure we had plenty of leftovers.
Why? Because on Sundays here, everything is closed.
Yeah, for now.
But we will be okay with food. You can see.
Oh yeah, we got plenty of things to cook too, but
Yeah.
we were going to grill today, but the weather
It's not helping us.
didn't allow us, so we figured let's do a shamboli steak today, and we did.
Oh, that was good. I'm so full.
Watching these guys out here doing some fishing in this rain. It's cleared up quite a
I
bit
think
now.
he's doing, right?
I think so, but
I don't see them anymore.
yeah, they went off into oared their way around the bend here,
It
but
was raining hard. You can hardly see anything.
yeah, you couldn't see across the bay here at all. Across the way was just visibility was a couple hundred yards at best, and these guys are out in these little bonka boats. I'm sure they had to, the way it was coming down, they must have had to bail themselves out. They must have had a little cup or bucket in their boat. So, get all that water out. But yeah, I'm sure they're used to it. It's nothing new for them. It's probably refreshing, as hot as it's been. So anyway, boring, lazy day today. I guess it could be worse, right?
Now it's movie time.
Yeah, today's movie day. Rainy day. Eating junk food. Watch a few movies. We'll see you guys next time.
See you later.